Hi everyone, my name is Minni. I'm a mental health and trauma clinician, and today I'd like to talk about menstruation and its effect on our mental health. Periods, it's such a simple and normal phase that we as women go through in our life cycle. But everything that it's associated with is far from normal. It's associated with shame, with disgust, fear, isolation, uncleanliness, impurity. It's actually really sad that the stigma around periods runs really deep, and it makes a big difference to how we women view ourselves. It's very important to normalize this menstruation as just being a healthy, positive part of a female's life cycle, and combating this shame can be really powerful for us as women. You know, with us getting our periods, there is a change in hormone levels in different forms, right? So in different times of your periods, like pre, post, during. So with the change in the estrogen levels and the release of serotonin, which handles or manages our depression, it can cause depressive symptoms, and that could go to a very different level and increase at a high rate when you are going through this shunning during that period, or being isolated in a room without coming out. It's ridiculous. And if you aren't aware of the effects that it can have on your physical as well as your mental health, it could take a big toll on your well-being. The psychological and social influences that resulted with the girls getting their periods was linked to the psychosocial factors of how they were being treated, right? I put it in a very simple form of how it's the only blood that is born from non-violence, but yet the stigma and the shame associated with it is almost like you are, you're a violent person who is shunned from society for being that way. It's disgusting and shameful that when women release things or stuff like sweat, milk, or blood, we females are seen as abject. We're seen with disgust. And why is that? Why is it that it can't be a normal phase of a women's life cycle? If we don't, then we won't be able to evolve, to grow families. Like, it's such a simple process, but then why is it that the gender inequality starts right from that beginning? Please support the cause, and let's put a period to period shaming and period stigma and feel empowered and powerful. Thank you.